Bowling World Cup.
Hello everybody. I'm used to being on that side of the podium, not on this one. This is a special event for me. I bowled in it before and I've been part of this for more than a couple of times. It's always good to see familiar faces coming in. I know it's very special for those of you who are not only returning, for some of you who are actually won it before, so it's also very important that we understand this is an icon of international competition. It's one of, if not the best run tournament in the world, and I'm very honored and proud to be standing before you, welcoming you to this event.
Good afternoon, everybody. Bowlers, officials, guests, what a great opening ceremony. On behalf of QubicaAMF, our 580 employees, distributors, and agents all across the world who serve more than 90 countries around the world, it's my honor and privilege to welcome you to the 54th Annual Bowling World Cup. Congratulations to you all, and especially the players. QubicaAMF and Samstown have a great partnership, and I'd like to thank Mike Connors, Director of Operations, Mike Hoffman, and Tom Pippinger. Terrific staff. I got here last night and talked to the QubicaAMF staff this morning, and they were more than complimentary of the Samstown staff and what they've helped QubicaAMF with last week and what they'll help us with this week. So Mike and team, we really appreciate everything you have done so far. Thank you. The 2018 QubicaAMF Bowling World Cup is very special this year. We have 84 countries participating, 52 bowlers, and the best amateur bowlers around the world. We are very fortunate to have a number of former champions. I'm going to call out a couple of those champions, and when I do, I'd like for you to stand up and be acknowledged. The first person is a two-time champion. She won in 2010 and 2011. Uma Correa from Dominican Republic. Where are you? Next, in 2006, from Finland, is Osku Parama. And finally, all the way back to 2000, is Mel Isaac, now Mel Oates from Wales. So you can see what an exciting event this week is going to turn out to be between the three former World Cup champions, world-class competitors from 81 other countries. What a great facility, Samstown in Las Vegas, and then what a fun town that you all, I hope, will enjoy in the evenings and not be too terribly serious. I'd like to sincerely congratulate each and every one of the competitors for going through the qualifying process and representing your country. As Mike mentioned a few minutes ago, it is truly an honor for each of you to represent your countries, and you should do so with pride. I'd also like to thank the QubicaAMF staff, Anne-Marie, Bernard, Cliff, Tina, and all the other staff members that put on this event. This event is about a year's worth of planning, maybe a little bit more, and as the clock gets closer to this event, the to-do list and the stress ratchets up. And I've only been to a handful of these events, but I know these people work very, very early in the morning till very, very late at night. They get on site about 10 days before the event, and they stay a couple days after. So I'd like to give the QubicaAMF staff a big hand for all their work. So with that, I'm about finished. I'm humbled and honored to continue one of the greatest sporting traditions on the face of the planet. The 2018 Bowling World Cup has officially begun. Have a nice week.